Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 40 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and then we have to find the apps. Now let's tap on all apps and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and as you can see, here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, then notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your Motorola Edge 40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.